Hello everyone and welcome to this new video. Today we are going to continue the development of our administration section with EasyAdmin 5. First, we are going to display the dashboard interface before creating our first CRUD. To do that, let's go back to VS Code, open the dashboard controller and look at the index method. As you can see, we have three options here. We can either redirect to an existing route, add a condition with a route redirection, or use the third option, which is to create our own interface. For us, we are going to create our own interface and extend the EasyAdmin template. I'm going to show you it's very easy. First, I'll uncomment the return statement. Then we will point to the admin folder. After that, it will be dashboard.html.twig. Now I go to the templates folder, create an admin folder, and then create the dashboard.html.twig file. Inside it, we are going to extend the EasyAdmin template. Then we will add the content block. Now I just refresh the page to show the result. As you can see, we now have our dashboard interface with the menu on the side and the dashboard item. If you remember from the previous video, the icon displayed comes from the dashboard menu item with the FA dashboard icon. That's it for this video and see you next time.